A dental crown is a fixed, custom-made, tooth-shaped cap or covering that is placed over a damaged or decayed existing tooth to restore its shape and size, strength, and improve its appearance. If you are considering getting a dental crown, there are a few things that you should know. First, crowns are fixed on your natural tooth and are a long-lasting dental treatment. Second, tooth crowns can be made from a variety of materials including metal, porcelain, and composite resin. The type of material that is used will depend on your individual needs and professional advice. Whether you are looking to solve the problem of your broken, misshapen, or decayed teeth, or you need a crown after a root canal, or for any cosmetic purpose, or need a replacement over an implant, we at Complete Dental Solutions will help you restore your beautiful smile with the perfect dental crown.